Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find and copy your USDT ERC-20 wallet address on Bybit. This is an essential skill for anyone using Bybit to manage their cryptocurrencies, as it allows them to receive USDT and other ERC-20 tokens. Don't worry if you're new to Bybit or cryptocurrency in general. I'll walk you through each step in a clear and a concise manner so that you can easily do it yourself. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you hang on to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to your Bybit app. So let me go over to my Bybit app. Let me tap on it to open it. So guys, now you can see the Bybit app has opened up. This is my Bybit account, and here is the home page of my Bybit account. So guys, now the first step you have to take now in order to find and copy your USDT ERC-20 wallet address is to tap on where you can see deposit/buy. You can see there, deposit/buy with fiat/P2P. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where it is written deposit crypto. You can see it down there. So guys, let me tap on it. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to make sure that crypto is selected. You can see that encircled area right there. The one on the extreme left is crypto, while the one on the right hand side is fiat. So guys, you have to make sure crypto is selected. You can see it. Let me tap on fiat so you see it. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's on fiat. So let me go back to crypto. So make sure crypto is selected. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to look for USDT. You have to look for USDT crypto. You can see here we have the list of cryptocurrencies right here. So guys, what you have to do now is to scroll through it and look for USDT. But in case you're having a hard time looking for USDT, what you have to do is just to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see that search bar at the top. So guys, let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to type in USDT. So let me type it in, USDT. So guys, now you can see two options came up. The one you have to go for is the first one, which is USDT Tether. That's the one you have to go for, USDT Tether. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. This is a very important step. You have to choose a chain type, or what is called the network. So guys, if you fail to choose the right chain type or network, you might not be receiving your token or your crypto or your airdrop or anything like that. So guys, make sure you choose the right chain type or the right network. And since this video is how to find and copy USDT ERC-20 wallet address, the right chain type or network you have to go for is the first one. You can see there, ERC-20. ERC means Ethereum request for comment. USDT ERC-20 is a type of cryptocurrency token that represents the US dollar on the Ethereum blockchain. So guys, that's the one you have to go for, the first option. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the notification that just popped up. They said, please confirm that you're depositing USDT to the address on the ERC-20 network. Mismatched address information may result in the permanent loss of your assets. So guys, now you can see they are actually notifying you that the network that you chose for the deposit of USDT is ERC-20 network. That's the network that you chose. So they are notifying you that you have to be sure that this information is right, that if it's not right, you're going to lose your assets or your crypto or your airdrop. So guys, make sure it's right. So let me tap on OK since it's right. So let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your USSD ERC-20 wallet address. But before I do that, let me get to show you guys this. So guys, now you can see that encircled area right there at the top. You have to be sure of those information. You can see the coin chosen is USSD Tether, which is actually right. Then the network is ERC-20, which is actually right. But in case you look at those informations, they are not right, you can actually change it by tapping on those drop down icons. You can see those drop down icons there. Let me tap on the drop down icon on the USDT. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see you can actually change the coin. So let me go back. I don't want to change it. Then let me go over to the network. Let me tap on the drop down icon on the network. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see you can actually also change the network if it's wrong. So guys, let me go back now. So guys, now those informations at the top are right. So let me show you guys how you can copy your USDT ERC-20 wallet address. So guys, now you can see the wallet address right there. You can see where it is written wallet address. You can see that encircled area, that's the wallet address. So guys, now for you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon there on the right hand side. You can see it there. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied successfully. So I've been able now to copy my USDT ERC-20 wallet address. And also guys, you can copy this wallet address by tapping on that button right there where it is written copy address. You can see down there. Let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see copy successfully as well. And also guys, you can see that QR code right there. That's the QR code for your USDT ERC-20 wallet address. Anyone you send this QR code to and the person scans it, the person will be able to get your wallet address. If you want to save this QR code now, what you have to do next is to tap on save picture. Once you tap on save picture, it's going to be saved into your phone gallery. Then you can send it to anyone who needs your wallet address. So guys, let me tap on save picture so you see it. So guys, now you can see this is the picture, this is it. So you can send it to anyone. You can see saved successfully. So guys, I've been able now to show you guys how you can find and copy your USDT ERC-20 wallet address on your Bybit account. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. See you in the next upload on Bybit tutorials. Bye.